I just got locked up for tax evasion. Now, I don't want you to end up like me, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to evade tax the correct way. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, so in this video, we're actually going to be talking about taxes in South Africa. We're going to be going over what are taxes, who do we pay taxes to, why do we pay taxes, what types of taxes do we pay, and how to file our annual returns on the BizPortal website. Now, this video is going to be purely informative, so just get your book out and take notes because it is very valuable information that you need if you are running a business or if you want to start a business in the future. Enjoy the video. Wait, before we continue, I'd like to take a second to thank our first sponsor, SkillTise. SkillTise is a mobile app that allows you to showcase your skills and expand your business reach. With their user-friendly platform, SkillTise connects you with a wide array of skilled professionals or service providers, from caterers to makeup artists, from carpenters to mechanics, and everything in between. It's like having your own personal network of talented individuals right at your fingertips. I've checked out their app and I must say that it is incredibly easy to create a profile, engage with potential customers or service providers. It's truly a game changer. And that is why I highly recommend SkillTise. You can download the app right now from the link in the description below or by searching SkillTise in the Play Store. You can use it for your business to find new clients or use it for yourself to find businesses suited to your needs. Be wise, try SkillTise. Alright, let's get back to the video. Alright, so why is paying your taxes so important? There are two answers. The first one are the legal ramifications. Now, you have to have your taxes in order. Otherwise, our government isn't going to be your best friend. They're going to chase you down and make you pay everything that you owe them because that's their success equation. Non-compliance with taxes can lead to severe penalties and interest charges, and this can significantly impact your business's cash flow. Now, repeated non-compliance can actually lead to criminal charges and reputational damage to your company. That ain't good. Secondly is the financial performance. Understanding and applying the correct tax incentives and allowances can potentially help your business's financial performance or provide it with valuable resources for reinvestment. So, proper tax planning and compliance is not only a legal obligation, but it's also smart for your business to actually apply. Now, my recommendation to you if you run a business is to seek out a professional's help. Now, the reason for this is because tax can get more complicated as your business grows and you always want your business to be in correct standing with the government. So if you guys do want someone, I can recommend them because they helped us plan this video. So thanks Finvoke for that. Alright, so if you're a business, what does SARS require from you to be in correct standing with them? Now, the first step is for your business to be registered. Now, if you don't know how to register your business, go check out this video because we actually made a direct tutorial teaching you how to do it in 5 minutes. Now, your business should also register for specific taxes if it falls under those requirements. For example, VAT if you're making a turnover of over 1 million rand per annum, or payee if you have employees in your business. Now, you have to submit your tax returns before the stipulated due dates. Now, the main returns are your corporate income tax returns, your payee returns, and your VAT return. Third, SARS requires you to keep all of your records. So please keep all of your invoices, your slips, your receipts, or basically everything else that has to do with any business transaction or the money in your business for at least 5 years. Now, SARS may request these to actually substantiate your claims or returns. And finally, SARS requires that you pay your provisional tax. So these are your annual returns that can be done on the BizPortal website. So actually, let me show you how to do that right now. So basically, all you have to do is go to the BizPortal website, click e-services and go to your annual returns. Once in your annual returns, correct the right company that you would like to apply your annual returns to. After we go through this process, we will then have to estimate the turnover of the company in each specified year. Now, as you can see for this business, I was quite delayed because I don't really use this business. So I'm going to estimate the turnover for this business over these years. And then the site will then tell me how much money I owe SARS. So once this is done, you'll see that I have a few penalties because I did submit late. So guys, always submit on time if you don't want to have these same penalties. Press next, then you would go into the information page where you have to fill out all the basic information of the company. Now, let's actually go through the different taxes that your businesses need to take note of in South Africa. First of all is your corporate income tax. Now, this is the tax that SARS actually charges you for making money in the country. And this tax is sitting at 27% for all companies. Next up is VAT. Now, we all know what VAT is, and this sits at 15%. But basically, your business has to apply for VAT if it has a turnover of over 1 million rand per annum. Next up is payee or pay as you earn. Now, this is a tax that basically your employer or you have to deduct from your employees' salaries and basically hand it over to SARS. Next up, we have the UIF, or the Unemployment Insurance Fund. This is basically a fee that is taken out of your employees' salaries. Now, this is used as an insurance safety net just in case of unemployment. So if you do end up losing your job, you will still get a monthly fee from the government based off your UIF that you previously paid. Finally, we have the provisional tax. Now, these are twice yearly payments that act as a prepayment on your annual tax that is owed to the government. Now, the best forms of tax strategies that you can focus on is basically just understanding tax, because if you understand it, then that way you can get more deductions or returns from the tax that you actually owe the government. The next way is for you to actually effectively plan your taxes. This can help you mitigate future tax liabilities. And finally, timely and accurate filing of your taxes. Now, if you do this correctly, it will prevent future audits or penalties that your business might be subjected to. All right, let's talk tax avoidance. Now, the best way for you to actually avoid tax is by cleaning your money. So all you're going to do is go to your nearest laundromat, and the secret is get the right detergent. Okay, I'm just kidding, guys. Let's actually go through a few tax avoidance strategies. So the first one is benefits from deductions. Now, these are basically tax deductions due to expenses in your business. So these things can be travel, rent, Netflix, gym, I don't know, you run your own business, but those kind of expenses can be taken away and be used as a tax deduction. The next one is write-offs from bad debt. So now, in some circumstances, businesses can claim back bad debt deductions from debt that was previously valid and been listed as income, but now is no longer collectible. The next one is profit sharing or transferring your profits. Now, let's just say your business actually operates in 2 jurisdictions. You can actually shift most of the profits of your company into the region that is actually charging lower tax. Therefore, you will actually pay lower tax overall on your business. But there is an air of caution, because this has to be done carefully using the arm's length principle. Otherwise, you will get onto SARS radar. Now, there is retirement contributions. So employer contributions to approved pension funds, retirement annuities, or provident funds can all be tax deductible up to a certain extent. So just obviously verify your extents when you doing this form of tax avoidance. So guys, that was just a short video about taxes in South Africa. Now, if you want something more detailed, just let me know in the comment section below. And if you found any of the information in this video valuable, please hit that subscribe button and let me know if you have any other questions. Anyways, check out this video if you want to see how I turned 1,000 Rand into 2 million Rand using crypto.